teka lang. Wow!
Parang ito yung favorite song ng ating debutant, Destiny. Okay. May I call on last but not the least, the escort of our debutant. Please welcome, of course, Mr. Roy Regine Harin Enriquez.